up guys, it's Ben and Roxy from So Vegan and we are back in our kitchen. Here we are, cooking up another storm just for you.
In this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to make an epic 3-bean vegan chili.
3-bean chili.
Some of you may know that the last chili we did was rich, it was indulgent, so this time we thought we'd switch it up.
Yeah.
We're going for something that's a little bit lighter, uses fewer ingredients, but still has all that bags of flavour.
I'm excited. We get cracking.
Let's do this. So let's start by chopping up a red onion. Don't worry about making it too perfect, just chop it up roughly. Next, we're going to peel and dice 4 garlic cloves. Not only is garlic one of our favourite ingredients for its flavour, it's also really good for you because it's full of antioxidants. And slice a red chilli. We like our chilli spicy, but not too spicy, so we're just going to remove the seeds. Then just chop it into small pieces. Now, if you're a little bit worried about the heat, what you can do is just add maybe 1/3 of a chilli in, or just half, and see how you get on.
Great chopping technique there.
Do you know what? That is pretty much all the hard work already done.
That's what I like to hear. Nice and easy. You've done all the work so far. Perfect. Love it. Next up, we're going to drop a little olive oil in a saucepan that's on a medium heat. We're going to wait for the oil to heat up, then we're going to throw in the red onion, the chilli and the garlic. Boom. Going to give this a little stir. Make sure nothing's sticking at the bottom. So these are looking great. They've been sweating for around 5 minutes. And next we're going to go in with our spices. So we've got 4 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin. This is one of our favourite spices. A teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is going to give it a real kick. And a tablespoon of mixed herbs for extra aroma. This only needs a couple of minutes just to cook the spices through. Right, that is done and it's smelling amazing. Now it's time for the stars of the show, the beans. The beans
are on fire.
The beans are on fire. Right, here we have kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans. We're going for a trio of beans to keep things super fresh and exciting. And also we want oodles of protein and fibre in here. But you can use any beans that you like.
Beans are in, so we're going to add 2 tins of tomatoes, about a tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2/3 of a cup of water. Then don't be shy and add a generous pinch of salt. Now that's all in, we're going to give it a good stir and we're going to leave it to simmer on a low temperature for about 40 minutes. So this sauce is going to thicken up and you're going to be left with a really flavoursome and hearty midweek meal.
Wow, it's looking great. So make sure you give it a stir every now and again just to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And while this is simmering for 40 minutes, we're going to get the rest on. That deep red colour is so rich and inviting. So this has been simmering for around 35 minutes and it's really thickened up. So now it's time to go in with 100 grams of frozen sweet corn. Give the chilli a stir and leave it to simmer for the final 5 minutes. That is it guys, our 3-bean chili is ready.
Guys, we never get bored of eating this. It's so simple. It's the perfect midweek meal if you're feeding friends, family. Do you know what? Just stick it on the hob and you're going to be left with a really wholesome meal.
You know what? I like that. Stick it on the stove, get a glass of wine and chill out. That's how we roll.
Living our best life.
Living our best life.
Living our best life.
Oh, I'm just living my best life. What are you doing?
Listening to Westlife.
Oh! No, you didn't.
No, you
didn't.
Right, enough of that. Should we play it up?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Course. Our fluffy rice is ready to be served. We're using brown rice for that extra fibre. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to finish off with a dollop of vegan yoghurt as it's going to balance really well with the heat of the chili.
We're also going to top with some sliced chilli and a handful of coriander for that freshness and that burst of colour.
Oh my days, are you ready?
Yes, please.
Oh.
This looks epic.
It does, doesn't it?
Do you know what? I'm going to admit, I feel pretty emotional right now.
Really? Like
Yeah.
happy, sad? Like
Very
what's
happy,
happening?
very excited.
Because you've been on a bit of a journey. It started with crying when you were chopping the red onion.
Like, this has been a roller coaster of emotions.
I feel like you've been on an epic journey with this chili.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right,
Let's try it.
let's get stuck in. There's so much going on from such a simple dish. You've got the fieriness, you've got the smokiness, you've also got all that substance from those beans.
Yeah.
And then that brown rice, you know you're getting a lot of wholesomeness as well.
Yeah, and that yogurt really balances out the heat from the chili.
Yes.
Amazing. Oh my days, this is so good. It's literally a party in my mouth and party in my body.
Everybody needs a chili in their life. It's such a classic recipe and it doesn't need to be complicated. This is our new go-to version. Right, that is it. Our 3-bean vegan chili.
I'm done.
What? You're gonna leave me to it? What?
I just want to sit and eat this now.
Guys, the full recipe is below this video if you're on YouTube. If you're not on YouTube, get over to YouTube where you'll get the full recipe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we've got some awesome recipe videos coming up in the future.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Happy days.